Good morning, class. Remember, we are now doing lessons from your homework book that you guys had at the beginning of the year. So today's page is lesson 4 there at the very end, and it is page 255. So we're jumping around a little bit. This lesson is called Part, Part, Whole. Okay. So part, part, whole. That's just fancy math words for we could take part of it as one thing, part of it as another thing, put them together and make a whole group. That's all that they're talking about. So you need to have a crayon of any color to do this lesson, just one, and then a pencil as well. So we're gonna start with this whole. The whole piece together is 2 blocks long. Right now, 2 parts of it are white, and 0 parts of it are red. So now I want to see what happens if I color one of them red. Okay, now what part of this whole is red? One part. Oh, I'm sorry. This side is white. I'm sorry. How many parts are white? One part is white. And how many parts are red? One part. So remember, this column is your whites and this column is going to be your reds. If I color one more, now how many parts are white? 0. And how many parts are red? 2. And that's it. Those are the only combinations of parts that can make a whole of 2. Let's do the same thing with 3. Let's make this side white and this side red. Okay, so the whole is 3. How many parts of it are white right now? 1, 2, 3 parts. And how many parts are red? 0. Okay. Just like we did over here, we're going to do one at a time. I'm going to make one red now. Again, this side is the whites and this side is the reds. So how many parts right now are white? 2. 2 parts are white and 1 part is red. Okay, I'm gonna color one more. Now how many parts are white? 1. And how many parts are red? 1, 2. Okay. Now, one more. Finally, how many parts are white? 0 parts are white. And how many parts are red? 3. These are the different combinations of parts that can make up a whole of 3. Okay, on the back, you guys are going to be doing the same thing with 4 and with 5. Remember that one side has to stay consistent. One side is always white, one side is always red. You could do this side red and this side white, it doesn't matter, or any color that you're choosing, okay? Whichever you choose, but make sure that you always start with the same color. Always go white, red, white, red, white, red, white, red, white, red, or you're gonna go red, white, red, white, red, white. That's the only tricky part of this lesson. Go ahead and get to work on just this one side and have a great weekend. Good job doing math this week. Good job finishing up our other pages. Now it's just these quick little lessons and you guys are doing awesome. Keep your skills sharp.